What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dream Squad, and today we are going to be outside snowboarding in the freezing cold weather. As you can see, it is currently 9 degrees outside, and behind me there's still a lot of snow left over from the snowstorm last week. But we have nothing better to do this morning, so we're going to go snowboarding. So with that being said, we hope you enjoy this video. Walking up the hill to start building a track up there that I could snowboard down. I actually haven't gone snowboarding in years, so I'm actually curious to see how this is gonna go. Probably gonna end up falling on my butt a couple times. Good thing it's pretty sunny out this morning, or I'd really be freezing now. The snow feels kind of hard, which is good, because if it's too soft, it's a little harder snowboarding. Right now we're going to clear a path, and then once we make our track, we're going to start sliding down the hill. Alright, so we have our path cleared, we're ready to snowboard, and now we're going to see how this goes. Kind of stuck right now. Stuck in the snow. No. Snow might not be hard enough. Okay, so I started clearing a little bit of a better track. Now we're gonna see how take two goes. Yep, not much better. Let's try again. All right, here we go. Whoa. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. This ramp actually sucks. Whoa. Now my legs are freezing. Kind of stuck. Let's try this again though. Okay, so we finally built a good snowboarding track. We got our board here, and as you can see, this is our track. It took us a while to make, so hopefully this finally goes well. Come on, go, 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 yeah. Falling off the track a little bit. Come on, go. Back at the top of the hill, we're gonna try this again. Notice that every time you go down, it gets a little bit faster. Cars are probably driving by, looking at me like I'm crazy right now. Who cares? We gotta do it for Dream Squad. Whoa! Keeps getting stuck. Whoa! Whoa. Running in the snow is actually very tiring. As you can see, I'm breathing heavily right now. Snowboarding is actually a pretty good workout. So we're gonna try this slope one more time in selfie mode. So actually I have to leave to go to church in a little bit. This will probably be our last one on this slope. Snow is so deep. It's a pain in the butt trying to shovel all this the other day, as you could probably imagine. Entire Dream Squad field is covered in snow. Oh, dropped my board. Should turn this hill into a ski slope over the winter when it snows. Dream Squad ski slope, whatever those things are called. All right, so before we go, we're actually gonna try out the steep slope a couple times. The small hill outside our house is actually even steeper than the one we're just on. It's a little smaller, but you go down this thing fast. We've actually had a couple good wipeouts on this one through the years, so we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so we dug out our little mini track. Now it's time to go down. Here we go. Dream Squad! Whoa. So as I said, very short, but also very steep. Should we get one more wipe out for the camera? Whoa, I'm trouble down this thing. Whoa! Oh. For Dream Squad. We hope you liked that video. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're in the 800s now, so we're almost there. But anyway, until then, we will see you next time.